Hello, I'm Jen from Trotman Indigo, and I'm going to quickly show you how to find the student videos on a standard Indigo Unis student account. Start by logging into your Indigo account and going to the Unis homepage. Scroll down to see this banner and click on the Browse Videos button. This will take you to an alphabetical list of all our videos from both students and unis. As you can see, there's a huge range of videos. You can find students describing both their university and the course that they're on. Looking through this list will give you a chance to discover the courses and unis you may not have heard of before, and hear about them firsthand from the students. They can help you understand what's really involved in the course you're considering and what the social life is like at the uni they go to. You can also find these videos on the subject and university profiles if you don't want to look through the whole list. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions about Indigo Unis, please leave a comment below or email us directly at hello@indigo.careers. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our new Indigo Help videos.